Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Product. Today, we're talking about an accessory that makes using your phone so much easier and more secure. If you have been looking for the best magnetic phone ring holder to keep your device safe in your hand, you are in the right place. We have some great details to share from Tech Product. Let's get started. If you have ever worried about your phone slipping out of your hand or struggling to prop it up to watch a video, the ESR magnetic phone ring holder is the perfect solution. This clever little accessory is designed to snap onto the back of your smartphone using powerful magnets. The ESR brand created this to give you a more comfortable grip while also acting as a versatile stand. It is all about making your phone feel more secure and useful in your daily life without adding a bunch of permanent bulk. The first thing that really stands out about the ESR magnetic phone ring holder is the incredible magnetic strength. It features magnets that deliver a holding force of 1,200 grams. This is a big deal because it means your phone stays firmly attached to the ring until you decide to take it off. You won't have to worry about it accidentally popping off while you are walking. Another great feature is the soft TPE lining inside the ring. This makes the grip feel very gentle on your finger, even if you are holding your phone for a long time while scrolling or texting. Versatility is a huge benefit here because of the dual joint mechanism. This allows you to use the ring as a very stable stand in both portrait and landscape modes. Whether you're on a video call or watching a movie, you can find the perfect angle. Since the magnetic ring can rotate a full 360 degrees, you can adjust the position with total precision. The ESR magnetic phone ring holder is also built to last. It is constructed from premium zinc alloy and has been tested to withstand over 5,000 uses, so the hinges stay tight and reliable for years. When it comes to the build quality and design, this ring holder feels very high-end and professional. It has a 0.9-inch diameter ring, which is the perfect size for most people. One of the smartest design choices is how easy it is to remove. Unlike those sticky rings that ruin your case, this one just snaps on and off. This means it is fully compatible with wireless charging. When you need to charge your phone, you just pop the ring off, place your phone on the charger, and snap the ring back on when you are done. In real life, this accessory is a lifesaver for taking photos or navigating while walking. It gives you that extra bit of confidence that you won't drop your expensive device. It is also great for when you are cooking and want to follow a recipe hands-free. This product is best for anyone with a large phone, people who watch a lot of content on the go, or anyone who wants a more ergonomic way to hold their device. It works with MagSafe iPhones, Samsung, and Google phones, making it a truly universal choice. Keeping your phone safe and easy to use has never been this simple. Check the price link in the description to get one for your device. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to Tech Product for more useful tech highlights. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.